I'm Mike Hackard with Hackard Law. After 50 years of working with families, I've seen one truth repeat itself. Most people don't call an elder law attorney until something's gone wrong. Mom has a fall. Dad starts forgetting names or directions. The hospital says discharge is tomorrow, and suddenly the paperwork feels impossible. Families find themselves in crisis mode, emotional, unprepared, and unsure where to turn. That's where elder law comes in, and why early planning makes all the difference. Elder law is about protecting seniors and families through the curveballs of aging, declining health, long-term care costs, financial changes, and family tension. So how do you know it's time to call? Here are some of the most important signs. First, a loved one's health is declining. When memory fades or chronic illness begins, legal planning becomes urgent. We help families decide who will make decisions, manage finances, and protect the home before those choices are taken away by circumstance. Second, you're afraid of losing everything to long-term care. In California, nursing home costs can exceed $11,000 a month. An elder law attorney helps you navigate Medi-Cal and protect your home and savings legally and ethically before they're gone. Third, there's no power of attorney or healthcare directive. Without those documents, families can't access accounts or make medical decisions. We prepare those ahead of time so your loved ones can help when it matters most, without the delays and costs of court conservatorships. Fourth, there's family conflict, or it's brewing. We've sat with siblings who barely speak, spouses at odds, and adult children overwhelmed by caregiving. Our role isn't just legal, it's to bring clarity, fairness, and peace. Sometimes that means writing down responsibilities. Other times it means mediation that keeps families out of court. Fifth, you want to protect the family home. We use trust and asset protection strategies to keep the home safe from recovery claims and ensure it stays in the family. Six, you need help with veterans benefits. For wartime veterans or their surviving spouses, aid and attendance benefits can cover care costs, but only with the right planning and documentation. Seventh, you suspect financial exploitation. Maybe it's a new friend controlling the finances or unusual withdrawals. We act quickly to stop abuse, freeze assets, and restore control before the damage grows. Eighth, you're the primary caregiver and burning out. We help caregivers access benefits, create agreements, and find balance so they can protect both their loved one and themselves. Ninth, the estate plan is outdated or doesn't exist. If the will is over 10 years old or there's no trust, now's the time to review and rebuild. A solid plan prevents conflict, reduces taxes, and keeps decisions in the family, not the courtroom. Here's the bottom line. If you're wondering whether it's time to call an elder law attorney, it probably is. We're not here to take control. We're here to guide you through change with compassion, clarity, and foresight. Because elder law isn't about paperwork, it's about peace. Peace that your spouse will be cared for. Peace that your kids won't fight. Peace that your parents won't be forgotten or exploited. At Hackard Law, we help California families prepare for life's hardest moments before they arrive, because planning ahead is the greatest gift you can give your family.